it's Marine, the plant machine. A quick one today. I wanted to show you how you can repurpose any type of cleaning spray bottle into a mister for your plants. First step is to check into your cupboard if you have any cleaning bottle that is almost empty. The point is to try to reuse, repurpose, upcycle. So don't use one that is completely full still. You will be able to use any type of bottle. Ideally use something that is using natural derived cleaning agents. Hopefully you can see, because this way if there's any nasties that are left over in your bottle, you know that won't really be terrible for your plants. So after this, if there's anything left over in your bottle, just throw it away. And then you're going to be taking hot water, not boiling water. So now that you have your hot water at the ready, which I do as well, just pour 2/3, fill 2/3 of the bottle. 2/3, I mean, you know, it's not an exact science. 2/3 of your bottle with hot water. And then you're going to want to buy any type of vinegar. I prefer to use just malt vinegar or white wine vinegar because it's cheap. And it's also not as smelly as other types of vinegar. So for example, this one, distilled malt vinegar, just bought at the corner shop down from my flat, £150. Whereas apple cider vinegar, for example, was $4.50. So, you know, do yourself a favor, just buy something cheap. It works the same. So then, you're going to put probably 1/3 of vinegar compared to whatever water you put in. So that's also why you want it to be cheap, because that bottle is going to be empty. So here we go. And then, just close it up and get to misting for a while.
A few moments later.
God, smells. Okay, I think we're done. Oh God, it smells. So we're going to, just pour it. And then again, just pour fresh water into your bottle. So fresh water. And then just pour more fresh water. And then, sorry to break it to you, but we're gonna mist again.
One eternity later.
Okay, I think we're done now. I mean, you can do the whole bottle if you want, but I've got other stuff to do, to be honest. So that's it for today. It was just a quick one. I really hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, and you're thinking of trying this at home, or you did try this, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really love to grow this community, pun intended, into something bigger so we can spread the love and we can all get to learn more about plants and nature. See you very, very soon.